This video is to demonstrate an issue with Google's Pixel and Pixel XL device when it comes to playing sound over its internal speaker. Now this issue can be recreated playing video games as well as many YouTube videos or other types of video, but this one application, Perfect Piano, demonstrates it quite clearly. This right here is the fourth replacement device I have received from Google, as they have not acknowledged that it is a system-wide issue that is happening on, from what I can find, every device I've come across so far. So this is my fourth Google replacement device. I would like to demonstrate now the static crackling issue that happens with the speaker. As you can hear, there is a loud popping, crackling, static noise when playing many of the keys at once. Now, you would think that that would be a hardware issue, or perhaps it is. But on one device, that happening, okay. Well, how about on another one? This is the original Pixel XL that I ordered and pre-ordered, and because of that I've received the VR headset, and that's when the static noise became quite apparent. Again, this is my original device, same app, Perfect Piano at full volume. I also ordered a device for my wife, the Pixel. She liked the smaller version and she liked it in black. And the issue can also be found here. Now, for those of you that might say, oh, okay, well, maybe it's just the app. The app sucks. Well, I thought about that, and I've tried it across several devices. And just to stick with the Google, I picked the Nexus 6, which I loved this device when it came out. It is quite large, but it is a great device, and I still have, and it does have the stereo speakers. So if anything, you would imagine if this app was going to cause issues, it's going to cause issues on one or both of the speakers. So let me do the same thing that I did on both the Pixel XL and the Pixel. Again, this is at full volume. That is the Nexus 6. Full volume Pixel XL. Another full volume Pixel XL. And then your standard Pixel. And for comparison, the Google Nexus 6. If you own a Pixel XL, I would say contact Google and make noise about this. This is an issue. It's a serious issue. This is a great phone otherwise, but you should not have to have a phone that you paid this much for that doesn't have a working speaker, especially when you're trying to use it with the VR headset and it becomes unusable because of the static noise. Thank you very much.